In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use webhooks in N8n quickly and easily. Let's dive right in and unlock the potential of automated workflows. First off, open your web browser and navigate to the AI workflow automation platform known as N8n. You'll find it by searching for N8n or going directly to their website. If you're not already familiar, N8n is an incredible tool that allows you to automate workflows between different applications efficiently. Once you're on the website, the next step is to sign in. You can do this by clicking on the Sign In button on the homepage. Ensure that you have your login credentials handy, as you'll need these to access your dashboard. After signing in, you will land on the N8n dashboard. This is your command center where you can create, manage, and execute your workflows. Think of it as the heart of your automation adventures. From here, go ahead and click on Create Workflow. This action is your gateway to starting a new project where you can set up all sorts of integrations and processes. A new workspace will open, and this is where the magic happens. Now, it's time to add some nodes to your workflow. Nodes are essentially building blocks that carry out specific tasks. Click on Add Nodes, and a search feature should appear. In this search bar, type Webhooks. Webhooks are powerful tools that allow you to send real-time data from one application to another whenever a specified event occurs. When you select this node, you're telling N8n that you want to establish a connection point for data to be sent or received. This is where you start configuring your webhook. The configuration options will allow you to specify how data should flow in and out of your workflow. Pay close attention to the settings, as they will dictate the success of your automation process. Set up your webhook node with the necessary parameters, ensuring you understand the requirements of the applications you plan to connect. With everything set up, review your workflow outline. Walk through each node to ensure there are no errors and all configurations are correct. When you're confident everything is in place, go ahead and activate your workflow. N8n will handle the rest, seamlessly managing the data flow according to your specifications. And there you have it, a brief yet comprehensive guide on setting up webhooks in N8n. By leveraging webhooks, you can enhance data integration across your applications, improve automation, and ultimately save time and resources. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and updates on maximizing your automation potential. Happy automating!